Hello everybody, I hope you're well today. Beautiful sunny day out here in Oklahoma, northwestern part of the state. A lot of bad weather been hitting to the east, Midwest. All those terrible storms, tornadoes and flooding. It looks like something big in the works down that area. My prayers are with you along the Mississippi Valley region and its rivers, tributaries. If anyone wants to know where they can go to send help or donate to relief, there's some good channels out there which can give you the information you need. I'll put a link down here to these channels. Please go check them out. They're good YouTubers anyway, and good channels to watch anyway, full of information. Now, questions. What is the meaning of life? How do you put meaning to life? Where do you derive this meaning? Now, that's a personal thing, personal quest one must take to find that meaning. To have a meaning, you need a purpose. What purpose? The purpose of life is to live it, to live. So, live your life to its fullest, and the meaning will find you. Now, you don't want to go around harming other life. Not that you don't, but there is some life you will have to harm. You're going to have to eat. Even if you're a vegetarian, you're taking the life of a plant, aren't you? Life has to have a purpose. Well, that plant's purpose is to feed you. And some animals are there to feed you. Higher forms of animals. Purpose of life is living. Not killing, not destroying, but creating and living. Now, where do we get morality and conscience, all that? How do we judge that? Who's got the authority to give such a statement of this is right and that's wrong? How do we know right or wrong? Is it a societal thing? Well, there are some guidelines you can go by, but these guidelines come from somewhere, don't they? You know, we can argue where this original authority came from. They gave us these guidelines. All we want won't get you anywhere. Fact is, their way of life, it promotes life and not destroys it. Concepts of God. You know, it's the right God. What is God? Think for a minute, people. Look at all this vast universe. See how it's such a way that is beyond our comprehension. Things you see around you, the simple symmetry of a plant or an animal, a snowflake, how the water molecule itself works, things like this, so well made. It is hard for me to believe that there isn't some omnipresent mind or intellect behind it. You know, does the ant contemplate the entire mountain or even the planet it's on and it's crawling from one hole to the other? Does it even have an understanding it's even on a mountain? God's not invisible, he's just too big to see with our little minds and our small perspectives. Everything God created is all around you. You just got to look at it. Simple as that. Now, my channel, here the Hell of a Deal channel, has come under attack. This is a cyber attack. They've messed with some of my settings and such. They've tried to hack into my systems. I'm not sure how successful they were, but they did do some damage. These attacks didn't start until I started going after evolution. You see, it's a no-no to question evolution. Funny, we're supposed to question everything, but we can't question evolution. Oh, that sacred evolution. Natural selection. Let's break this down. Natural exists by nature. It's just there. It's part of everything. It's natural. The natural world you see around you. Selection. Selection indicates selector. Their selector is nature. So nature itself is smart enough to decide it needs a new body part. And it just selects it. Whoever's attacking me you're probably going to be experiencing some technical difficulties shortly with some of your own programs. You see, I have a rebound program. I'm attacked by someone tries to hack me. It bounces back at them. Keep it up, I'm going to know everything about you. I don't think you're going to stop me by messing with this channel. They're handyman's. Inventive and creative. Peace, love, and understanding be with you all. And get out there and enjoy that day.